Hey there, home cooks! Today, I'm going to show you how to make the freshest, most delicious tomato juice right in your own kitchen. Whether you're looking for a health boost or just a refreshing drink, this tomato juice is going to be your new best friend. First things first, grab around 8 ripe tomatoes. The fresher, the better. Now, wash them thoroughly under running water. You don't want any dirt or grime messing with your juice. Next, cut out the cores and chop those tomatoes into quarters. It doesn't have to be perfect, we're going to blend them anyway. Toss the tomatoes into your blender. Add a pinch of salt and about half a cup of water. This helps get things moving. Now blend on high until you've got a smooth, vibrant mixture. This is where the magic happens. Once it's all blended, you'll need to strain it. Grab a fine mesh strainer or a cheesecloth and slowly pour your tomato blend through it into a large bowl. Use a spoon to help push the liquid through and leave the pulp behind. Alright, now that you've got your strained juice, taste and adjust the seasoning. Maybe a little more salt, or even a splash of lemon juice for some extra zing. Pour your fresh tomato juice into a glass, and if you're feeling fancy, throw in a celery stick or a sprig of basil. And there you have it, fresh tomato juice that's bursting with flavor and goodness. So what are you waiting for? Go grab those tomatoes and let's get juicing. If you love this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time.